Go to View and make a transversal section. Before this we will split the wall. Go to North Elevation. Go to Modify and split the wall to make a stepped footing. Go to Properties to change the bottom constraint from Level 1 to Upper Foundation, then hit Apply. For the other wall, let's change the bottom constraint to lower level and change it to -1600. The goal of this is to connect two different foundations by stepped footing. Go to Component Model and place Structural Foundation. Let's name it T1 Foundation. Go to Extrusion, pick Plane OK. Choose this face. For the extrusion end we will enter a value of -1200, then hit Apply. Click line type 400 thickness of footing. Then we will use an inclined line at 45 degrees to connect the element, then go up by 300, then close the elements and hit OK. Go to 3D View and you will see the 3D stepped foundation. If you type the shortcut L, you will see the difference between the two levels.